In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, you need to access tab menu and look for one-handed shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of your little screen, click on this icon below the X1 on the left or on the right. To go back to the standard size, use this X instead. If you want to, you can also go back by accessing tab menu and clicking on one-hand shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!